Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening,
Good
depending
morning.
of which part of the world you're gonna watch us. So let's see what's going on. Action needed. Yes, okay. Not sure if you can see us. We think everything is fine. Okay, guys. The January is half gone already.
Yeah, it's new year already. Yeah, this year we hope it's going to be better. Not because we can complain for the last year, but this year is going to be better. Uh,
Oh, God.
Sorry, here is a little shaky situation with our camera. Yes, like 220. Uh, was very interesting year. Like we had some lockdowns and 2021 too. Lockdowns, many businesses were affected from this situation, but online businesses, they were flourishing in these situations because many people moved from brick and mortar businesses to online business. Many people start working from home, just remotely. Uh,
Before before to start the serious topic, let's introduce us for
yeah,
those who never watched us. We are Mira and Sergey. We live in Vancouver, where we moved from Bulgaria many years ago. Um, so here is what is 10:30 a.m. Please share your comments, your questions in the comment section below, and for sure we're gonna answer to them, or you can direct message us. Um, we are free to answer all the questions you have about the this online business. Sorry for interrupting
no, no
you.
worries at all. Yes,
So
that's what I wanted to say. That the online business changed the game. Actually, many people went into online businesses like Amazon and eBay. They made fortunes, and I see for our online business. Is flourishing. We are already 107,000 people globally, and who is following us know what business we are doing. And if you follow us, this is just not an accident. Like if you follow us, if you saw our advertising and you're still with us, that is not accident. That means you're in at some degree interested. Uh,
absolutely. So
yeah, and yes,
uh, we're very excited, not excited, but frustrated actually, when somebody said, "Oh, we have no time. We really want to start something on the side hustle, like online business, but we're so busy we don't have time." So, guys, our schedule is full from 7:38 a.m. to 1 a.m. after midnight. Because as many of you know, we have offline business. We have beauty studio, which is one of the most successful studios here in Vancouver, BC.
yeah, we still work at our business, not because we like it. We like to see happy people every day, to make people happy every day, and that's why we are still there. But the good thing about online business is because you're not tied to a place. Many people prefer, and we prefer to, and soon we're going to switch to online only because you're not tied to a place. You don't have time limits like. Uh, if you want to work today 2 hours, you can work 2 hours. It depends. If
Absolutely.
it's a side hustle and you have 1 hour gap, you work 1 hour gap. If you don't have a gap, uh, you just don't work today. No, nobody is pushing you. Work with your own speed.
Yeah,
That,
because we love both what we do,
yeah.
our offline business and our online business. So we love mentoring people, which questioning us all the time because um, we feel happy when we can help somebody to run their own successful business. We're really happy to share our knowledge. This is the best in this business, one of the best things actually, because it's very supportive. The whole community is very supportive, and we help each other a lot. So all we know about the successful people is that they're curious. They check this out. They don't judge. They don't listen gossips, but they're just curious.
Yeah, and they
If they like this opportunity, they'll start doing this business. If not, they just skip it.
yeah, because there is lots of scam in online space. So it's good to be skeptical to a certain degree, but check the things out. Be skeptical. Don't take everything for real. Check it out. But there is many businesses which are very very successful online. And you might miss it out if you're skeptical to everything because the human mind is that's how it's designed. Like the brain tells you right away if you see something which is you never did before. And is not in your subconscious. The brain tells you, oh no, don't do this, because he doesn't want to get involved. That's why it's better like you check it out, see, because you might miss it.
Yeah, many people told us, "Oh, you lose your mind. You're gonna
Oh
lose money.
yeah,
This is a scam. Blah blah." Many like
yeah.
that.
Some people don't call us anymore. They think we're crazy, we're stupid. But we don't listen to nobody because, like, one of the inspirational speakers say, tell your dream to a wrong person and you'll kill it. That's why you check it for yourself. Don't listen to another people, because here we have people from all walks of life, which they started with terrible debt, working 3 jobs, and now they're successful. They have them houses paid off. They're continuing buying real estate. This business completely changed many people's life, and I know this for certain, for sure, for 100%. We
Yeah,
know.
talking about the comments,
Yeah.
sometimes we feel that this online business sucks. Sorry, my French, but yeah, this online business sometimes sucks because we're getting comments like we're scammers,
Oh
we're
yeah, yeah,
whatever. But you know what, guys? All the comments we're getting from
yeah. From fake,
fake fake
fake
accounts.
fake profiles.
Instead of face on their profile, they have a flower or some animal or whatever. But we are absolutely trackable. Our business is trackable because you can find us on Facebook where we're with our
Yeah, you can see
um,
our faces, you can see our pictures. Sorry, you can see
our
our
family.
families, our kids, grandkids. Like our cousins. Everything is here. So how the scammers then they don't stand with their faces there.
So who is the scammers? You can see
Exactly.
our YouTube channel. You can see our Facebook personal profiles
Yeah.
for both of us. Our business page, which is connected with our personal profile. Who is the scammer actually?
Yeah, and you can get comments. Oh, this is this a scam? Is this a pyramid? No, it's not a pyramid, because pyramids, they don't last for 5 years. So this business is already 5 years, and uh, the pyramid is
Months.
yeah, it lasts for a couple of months, and the pyramid is based on the fundament, and feeds the top. Here is not like that, and we can explain this for everybody how it works. So
Yeah, this is absolutely legitimate business
yeah,
because
and
we pay taxes. We
Yeah, and to
receive this, what is this, tax form,
yeah,
and the company we work with is 49 years old,
yes,
older than most of you you're watching now,
yes,
us now.
not older than me. No.
Yeah, but something like that.
uh,
And yeah, we're 100, more than 100 and, no, how to say it,
107,000
thousand people
people. Yeah,
globally.
yeah, and this company is responsible for our commissions. We don't sell anything directly. Don't get us wrong. We don't sell it directly. Uh, but like every online business, there must be a product. Otherwise, how you're going to get a commission? How you're going to make money? So one of the income streams comes from this company. Another one is if you work and you reach a certain level in our business, you become a coach. Then you're getting commissions from a coaching course, which is in US dollars, and you can
No
be
matter where you live,
yeah, you can be everywhere in the world. You can be in Italy, you can be in Greece, in
yeah,
Dubai.
just name it.
Name it. You do coaching calls, and you getting paid for every call, and then you get you have bonuses. Uh,
For this, for this
so
job.
for this job, but you have to be also, you're not tied to a language. You're not limited to a language. You have to understand English to a certain degree
At
to can
least.
yeah to can follow our training, which is in English, and to attend our masterminds. Uh, and the rest you can work in your own your language, your mother's language. Like let's say you can advertise if you're in Italy, you can advertise in Italian, and people who are working with you, as long as they understand English, they just to follow the training. You guys can work in any language you like, in any language which is convenience for you.
Yeah, absolutely. So, guys, be curious. Just check this opportunity. Is it for you or not? Because it's life changing for many, many, many people all over the globe.
We didn't say about the investment. Yes, like every business needs investment. The investment is not that big. You can start with funny amount. It doesn't make a fortune. Because and again about people not trusting the online business still, although everything is online and everybody now is buying shoes online. And like if you invest in this business, everybody, not everybody, but many people are going to say, "Hey, are you crazy? This is online. Could be a scam." But if you open a restaurant, which you invest there $300,000, they say, "Hey, congratulations! You open a restaurant.
Yeah, well done.
Well done." Yeah, and everybody thinks that you're going to make fortune from the restaurant. No, guys, we had a restaurant. You work your tail off there, and you won't get much. Uh, here is much easier business, and it's easier to get into this business. Everybody can get into this business. Not everybody can do it. But
Yeah, because you have to make difference between job and business.
yeah,
This is not a job, guys. It's not a job. It's a business. That's why it requires effort, requires investment, requires some of your time. But as we said, depending of how if you want to spend 1 hour in the business, you can do it. If you want 2 hours, it's gonna be pay forward for you for sure.
yeah,
It's up to you.
it depends of your mindset. If your business mindset, and you when you see an opportunity, you have to go for it. You have to follow the momentum, because everything in life, like Donald Trump says, is momentum. You have to catch the momentum and go. Like uh, that's
Yeah.
it. Like I said, you're not here for an accident.
Mhm.
And today, what we have today? Today is our webinar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, five
Free
o'clock,
webinar.
free webinar. 5 o'clock. You just have to go and register on our site www.sergeykonsta.com, and 5 o'clock Pacific time, 6 o'clock Mountain time, and 8 o'clock Eastern time
Yeah.
is a free webinar, and there is everything laid out. You're going to see people from all walks of life, which are already there, which are successful, and our
Okay,
battery, I
guys.
think,
Yeah,
is
be
done.
curious, guys.
Yeah,
Thanks for following our page. Thanks for tuning in.
yeah.
Feel free to share our video.
And
You
Happy New
can
Year
help.
again,
Yeah,
okay?
Happy New Year,
This
guys.
is our first live for this year.
No, it's second. We did it from the beach.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah, yeah.
remember
Okay, yeah, yeah,
on
yeah.
January 1st?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. But anyways, Happy New Year.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the best. See you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Register. Watch the webinar. You will lose nothing.
Yeah, you're going just to gain. You learn for one more opportunity in life.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
See you next
See
time.
you.